Welcome to my little potting shed, which used to be our storage barn, and having lived here now for 7 years, we finally managed to clear out all the storage at the beginning of this year, another great lockdown project, and turned it into my potting shed and where we keep our lawnmower. Everything in here apart from the back panels is recycled or donated. From all the wood for the worktops down here, which came from our roof when we had the roof done. The sink we found in the tip. The taps were bought by Kev's brother at a brocante market. The tiles were already here. The plate rack was from a brocante, again another recycle find. And coming down here, we have all my pots and seeds, which I keep, and all my little tools. I've got so many pots, it's a shame to throw them away, but I do clear out every now and again. Lovely old letters. And then the back wall, which we've created from loads of old doors that we found in the property, cut and stuck on the back. There's going to be some lights in the lanterns there, and there will be a picture of a rose rather than lavender above the rose sign. And then here on this wall will be an entrance through to the orangery that we're going to build in a few years' time. And background, and there's our tondeuse or lawnmower as we know it in English, and all the amazing tools that we use to keep the garden in good order. So I hope you like my little potting shed. I absolutely love it. Until next time, this is what I have to say.